Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have a really quick share for you today. I'm working on an embellishment book for the fall. Them Crafty Girls, fall, Halloween, popcorn bucket swap. Anyway, it's a mouthful. I wanted some sentiments for the fall portion. And so I'm using the Kscraft's coffee word sentiments. This is it came out early part of 2024, so early part this year. In this word set, these are the words that you get. You get your beautiful, and I die cut it out of 3 colors that will work with our embellishment book. So I wanted it coffee theme. I wanted it fall colors, and this is what I've got. So I used some glitter cardstock that I had in my stash, literally from my scrap bin. I don't know what kind of, it might be the Walmart printable, but it might not. So I don't know. It's just, I pulled it out of my scrap with my glitters. And then this is a gold, let's see, I have the, yeah. So it's a part of the collection for the fall that I've been playing with, and this is what it looks like. It's got the gold leaf on there. So I cut out expressly for you in the same colors, same colorways, pink, yellow, orange. So all of them are going to have these colors and different background paper. And this is just another paper from the paper pad. And this one says Mugs and Kisses. I might think of putting stickles on the foam. I cut them out of foam. I don't know if I told you. So it just has some dimension. I may or may not. And then this one is Java Nice Day, like have a nice day. So that's what they look like. They're all different colors. I think they came out really great. This one is vellum. Oops, I gotta put glue on that. It says love you a latte. So there you have all the sentiments. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 5 sentiments. And I cut it out different colors, different background paper. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was supposed to cut out more of the fall words or iced coffee. I think this one's iced coffee. I don't know if I'll do that now, but I also had some fall words here that I wanted to cut out to put together. So here's some of the fall sentiments, shadow word sentiments. These are, I can't read. Cozy vibes. And then this one says, happy fall, y'all. Autumn memories, which I think I will cut these out instead of the espresso. And this one is warm hugs. It's a good one. This is hello fall. And this one is pumpkin spice season. Oh, that would go perfect with our coffee theme. And then the last one is hey pumpkin. So yeah, I may have to cut these out with the same colorways, probably different background paper also. So yeah, these are all Kscraft dies. So if you're interested, go check out Kscraft on AliExpress or on Amazon. If you are new here, welcome. I was just going to say thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, join our crafty family. And while you're at it, you can hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I do lives like this. Do videos like this, load new videos, or go live on my channel. And if you enjoyed it, thumbs up the video. Thank you so much. And I will see you all next time. Bye.